Welcome back. In this video, we will walk through Lab 1.3.10 from the Network Plus series. And here we'll set up a small office or home office SOHO network. We're going to cover device placement, cabling, IP verification, and connectivity testing. Everything you need to set up a small office or home office running and going. So from the lower end, start by dragging the home PC1. So you're dragging the home PC1. Then you're going to drag the home laptop and the home PC1 onto the canvas. And then we're going to add the switch. We're going to add the switch onto the canvas. So drag the switch onto the canvas, followed by the router onto the canvas. So your router, drag it onto the canvas. Okay, so your router onto the canvas. Then use the create link tool to connect the router to the switch. So via port 0. So you take your connect link tool from the bottom left, then connect to the switch. Create a link tool to connect the router to the switch via port 1. Then next, you're going to connect each computer to the switch using the Ethernet ports. So take the switch, left click, you see Ethernet, drag it to the switch. So you're going to drag it to the switch. Then you're going to select switch port 1. And you're going to do the same for home PC1. Left click, you find Ethernet, drag it to the switch, and select switch port 2. Then you're going to drag it to home laptop, then select it with switch port 3. Great job. I see you there. You're doing an amazing job. So next, you're going to launch Windows on home PC1 and check the assigned IP address under network and internet settings. So go to network and internet settings, then go to Ethernet, then check the assigned IP address. So you're going, if the IP address is not showing, you might need to restart your PC, and by restarting your PC, it will force a DHCP request. So for our case, we have the IP address showing. We have the IP address showing. So we have no issue at all. Great job. As for this case, the 1.310 Create a SOHO network is examinable. So go to your lab questions and answer. Check the IP address and the DNS setting for this lab. The IP should be on the 192.168.1.0. Confirm your answers. So the DNS should be 192.168.1.1. So confirm your answers in the lab question dialog and then move to the next one. Then open terminal or admin and type ping 192.168.1.1. This tests the connectivity between home PC1 and the router. So our ping is successful, meaning that our connectivity is okay. So final checks, ping successful, IP address is correct, and our SOHO network is successfully configured.